Wireless technology is beneficial to both OEM and end user organizations. Using wireless devices, OEMs will reduce build times and costs. Through reducing the necessary evil of value-enabling downtime, for example changeovers, end users will increase OEE through enhancing operational runtimes. In addition, the adoption of wireless technology, maintenance and repair costs will also be reduced by end users. SMC's EX600W and the relatively new EXW1 are devices that will deliver these benefits. Both are wireless serial interface units. The EX600W being modular, whereas the EXW1 is more compact and lightweight. They have radial communication with distances of 10 meters for the EX600W and 100 meters for the EXW1, allowing simultaneous control of a significant number of devices. Also included is enhanced security features such as FCS, Frequency Channel Select. This allows the identification of frequencies the units will not hop to, ensuring other wireless signals will not interfere. All this helps to reduce costs, increase productivity and reliability, and most importantly, improve worker safety. These wireless modules are compatible with both Ethernet IP and Profinet. The EXW1 can also use OPC UA if using Ethernet IP and Profinet. The versatility doesn't stop there. Like other SI units in the SMC product portfolio, these units are compatible with multiple SMC valve types. Don't worry if you don't know much about SMC's wireless models. We have a team of drives and network specialists who will be more than happy to assist. Just contact your local SMC sales representative to find out more. Remember, follow us on LinkedIn.